is where I stayed last night at Treyarnon camping. Good morning, welcome back to week 3, day 2 on the southwest coast path. I'm just leaving Treyarnon, heading towards Newquay today. It's a gorgeous, bright, sunny morning. It was foggy first thing, but all in all, slept well last night, so looking forward to today. Looking back towards Constantine Bay and Boobies Bay. Heading down into Porthcoven now. Might stop off for a cuppa. A bit of a break. Now looking towards the Bedruthan Steps. Looking towards Bedruthan Steps, beyond Trevose Lighthouse where I was yesterday. And now heading down into Morganporth. Called in at the Marymore Inn for a pint and a much needed break from the sunshine. I didn't think I'd get to say that. Next destination, Watergate Bay. down towards Watergate Bay. Last few miles now down into Newquay, where I'm ending today. Towards Trafalgar Head and Porth Island. Don't actually go onto the island, but yeah, looks impressive. Porth Beach seems very popular when the sun's out. Well, I've walked just over 12.5 miles today from Treyarnon Bay to Newquay. It's been a fair few ups and downs. Fair few stops as well, which has been nice. The weather has absolutely been so sunny, it's been ridiculous. It's been really nice. A bit too warm, but very nice. Can't complain. Really enjoyed today. And I've now made it to my camp for the night.